Start para. The accused is prosecuted for the offences punishable under sections 302, 323, 201 read with section 34 of the Indian Penal Code 1860 and section 4 read with section 25 of the Indian Arms Act full stop para. Mangesh Bhalerao on 21/6/2021 registered a report in MIDC Sinnar police station alleging that on that day approximately 5:30 p.m. all accused due to previous enmity assaulted and killed his brother-in-law Somnath full stop para. Based upon information, police registered crime number 880/2021 for the offences punishable under sections 302, 323, 201 read with section 34 of the Indian Penal Code 1860 and section 4 read with section 25 of the Indian Arms Act and commenced investigation full stop para. The investigation was handed over to Sri Avinash full stop. The investigating officer immediately commenced investigation, procured presence of pancha witnesses and prepared spot panchanama at the place of incident as shown by the informant. Further, with the help of forensic expert, he collected material samples as required to further investigation, sealed them in presence of pancha witnesses and later deposited them in the malkhana of the police station full stop. The investigation revealed that 3 offenders are juveniles in conflict with law, therefore he apprehended them and seized their clothes under panchanama in presence of pancha witnesses full stop. Further, he recorded memorandum statement of juvenile in conflict with law number 3 in presence of pancha witnesses and seized weapon of offense, that is sickle, concealed in bushes as per the information provided by him in presence of pancha witnesses full stop. Also, the juveniles in conflict with law were produced before Juvenile Justice Board full stop. Later, he seized clothes of juvenile in conflict with law under panchanama and also recorded statement of witnesses full stop. Subsequently, on 25/6/2021, he sent the seized weapon for opinion of the medical officer and after completing the investigation submitted a charge sheet against the accused full stop para. The learned judicial magistrate first class by its order dated 7/3/2022 committed the case for trial full stop. After hearing the learned APP and considering the material on record, my learned predecessor in the office has framed the charge Exhibit 10 against accused for the offences punishable under sections 302, 323, 201 read with section 34 of the Indian Penal Code 1860 and section 4 read with section 25 of the Indian Arms Act full stop. It was read over and explained to the accused full stop. The accused pleaded his innocence and claimed to be tried with the defense of total denial full stop para. According to the learned APP, the deceased and the accused are same locality and were having differences inter se full stop. Some days before the incident, there was a quarrel between juvenile in conflict with law number 1 and the deceased in respect of alleged negligent driving of car by the deceased full stop. Consequently, due to this quarrel, all accused with common intention confronted the deceased at the spot of incident, accused number 2 to 4 caught hold of him and the accused number 1 hacked him by a sickle causing his instant death full stop para. Emphasizing upon the part of evidence, the learned APP submits that the brother-in-law of the deceased got the information about the incident and therefore he registered the FIR in bracket exhibit 17 in the police station full stop. Immediately, Avinash Karad, the PSI, was assigned the investigation and he took necessary steps full stop. The accused were arrested, three co-accused being juveniles in conflict with law were produced before Juvenile Justice Board full stop. During investigation, the sickle used in the assault was recovered based upon information provided by a juvenile in conflict with law number 3 full stop. Also, the investigating officer with the help of forensic expert collected blood and soil samples along with materials, articles from the spot of incident and in presence of punch witnesses sealed them and later sent them for forensic examination. Stop.